Okay, so yesterday you finished number 17, where you described fold mountains using the text above. You put at least 3 really good sentences. So today, excuse me, you're going to do the same thing, except you are going to describe fault block mountains, and you're going to use 3 or more sentences, just like before. I really stress that I think you need to write them down on a piece of paper first. You and your partners need to agree on the 3 sentences and then you type them. It's easier, I think, if you put it down on paper and then type them. Remember, I said you will want a good topic sentence that introduces fault block mountains, and it can include one of your facts, but don't just randomly put 3 facts down. Make it flow well. And then you're going to do the dome mountains. Obviously, there's not a lot about the dome mountains, but you can still easily get 3 sentences. By now, it's going to be super easy. And then comes the fun part. You get to start planning for a descriptive paragraph about something in the rock cycle. Woo woo! I know that doesn't sound real exciting, but just wait. Here are all the different things in the rock cycle, some of the different things, and definitions to go with them. We've got magma, we've got igneous rock, we've got lava, metamorphic rocks, sediments, and sedimentary rocks. You are going to choose one type of rock from the list above, and you're going to be writing a descriptive paragraph about it individually. This is where you each are going to do your own. I will grade 30 of them, but it's going to be so much fun. And you will write what you want here. So on number 20, everybody will have their own answer. Obviously, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different choices, so a lot of people will have some of the same choices. If I pick lava, you can also pick lava. That's okay. So here's where you put which one you're going to pick. And then you get to give it a name. Okay, so you give it a first and last name. Consider using the rock or item name as part of your item's name. So for example, if you picked igneous rock, you might name it Igneous Isaac. Okay, so be creative. This is going to be fun, right? This will be different than everybody's. I don't believe anybody's will be the same here. You may, obviously, more than one person may have igneous in their name, but I don't believe we'll have more than one Igneous Isaac. And then here, you're going to think about the characteristics of your item and complete the sentences below. So you are going to eventually write, not today, but write a descriptive paragraph about this person, Igneous Isaac, or whoever you're going to write about. What does your surface feel like? Now, we're not making this stuff up. You're going to go up here, and if you're an igneous rock, what does an igneous rock's surface feel like? And if you're not sure and you can't find it up here, look in your book, ask your neighbor, look it up online. Okay? I don't want you to say it feels fuzzy, because an igneous rock does not feel fuzzy. It's going to be a fun descriptive paragraph, but it has to be based on facts. I look like. What does your rock part look like? I form when. You're not going to say I form when aliens beam down and form me. You're going to tell me, when do you form? When do igneous rocks form? When do metamorphic rocks form? When does lava form? Well, whoever you are. If you're Igneous Isaac, you would talk about igneous rocks. And then write 2 details you will include in your paragraph. So you're going to need to go back in your book and tell me 2 details. Now igneous has up here has a few details, but some of them don't. So you have to go back in your book and look for some details. And then write the last sentence, which I'm thinking, write the last sentence. That might be kind of tough, but think about how you're going to tie it all up. Write a statement that engages the reader. So think about, you're really going to make this a good story. So what could your last statement be? Be creative. Okay, and that's all we're going to do today, because I really want you to take some time and do this. I can't wait to read these. They're going to be so much fun. We'll finish them up tomorrow.